Welcome to the Georgia Woodsman. Today we're going to be testing out the Ozark Trails D2 7.5-inch folding pocket knife. What I have read is this is being compared to the Benchmade's bug out knife, which is a $190 knife. The Ozark Trail knife is about $10. Whenever I started reading and researching about this knife, I went and looked online at walmart.com. They're sold out in the stores. A buddy of mine called me the other night and he picked me two up. They just so happened to have restocked the shelf at a local Walmart near him. So we're going to be testing this out today. Some of the stuff that I have read is that it's razor sharp right out of the box, and then some of the stuff I've read was that it wouldn't cut hair. So it's shaving hair on my arm. Slicing right through the paper. I like the way that springs open. Feels pretty good in the hand. There was some complaints about the pocket clip only being on one side. It is a little awkward, but it was be something that you could get used to. I like the lock. It seems pretty sturdy. Now today, I'm not out here just to destroy a knife, but if I'm going to use something, I want to make sure that it's been tested out. I have a $140 Cold Steel AD10. I get it out here, I baton it with it, I put it through its trials and tribulations, I get my fires with it, so I know that if I'm in the woods with this everyday carry, that this can save my life if I need it to. This is a $10 knife. I don't expect much of it, but that's what we're going to find out in this test today. Now this is just some soft pine that I think will do good for the test. Now we're going to baton with it locked in place. It has a powder coating on it, so it may be hard for me to get a strike with a ferrule rod. The lock held in place just perfect. Still just flips right open. I'm gonna try the blade. I don't like using the blade on a knife to start a fire. Still cuts right down through the paper. Still shaving hair. For $10, go get you a couple, go get you 5, go get you 10. Just throw them in your pack and forget about them. This is a good little knife. Be used as a backup knife. I'm really impressed with this Ozark Trail. They did good with this for $10. So go get you one of these.